Welcome to Phrasal Verb Friday. Today's phrasal verb is check in. Have you ever heard check in? Very popular. What does it mean? Usually it means you are following up. You made a reservation someplace and you now are at the place that you made the reservation, and you tell the person that's working at that place, I'm here. I am checking in. The clerk tells you, thank you very much for checking in. But here's some examples of places that you need to check in when you arrive. At the hotel, going on vacation, you've made a reservation. You show up at the hotel, you see the clerk at the hotel, and the person says to you, do you have a reservation? And you say, yes, I'm here to check in. What about at the airport? Oh, really important. You spent a lot of money on an airplane ticket. You're going someplace. You don't want to miss your flight. What do? You go to the counter and you tell the employee there, I'm here to check in. And they say, thank you for checking in. Here's your boarding pass. You may go to the gate to get your airplane out of town. What about car rental? You've rented a car for your vacation. And you go to the counter of the car rental location, you tell them, I'm here to check in. And they say, thank you for telling us. Here's your keys. You can go about your way. Oh, important. Spouse. You go someplace during the day or in the evening, and your wife or your husband says to you, would you please check in with me later on? Let me know that you're safe. That is, you're making contact with your spouse to let them know that everything is okay. You're going to check in with your spouse. At a restaurant, you made a very nice reservation for you and your wife for your anniversary. And because it's a very nice place, you need that reservation. And when you arrive, you see there's 100 people waiting to get a table. But you were smarter. You made that reservation. So now you need to go to the counter and tell the employee, I'm here to check in. That is, I want to confirm my reservation. Now, please take me to a table so I don't have to wait with all these other 100 people. Check in. For you younger people, parents, how many times has a parent said to you, I want you to check in with me when you arrive at your friend's home tonight. I want to make sure that you're safe. Check in. Check in. Just verification that you are okay, or verification that you are following up with the reservation and you are there to fulfill your commitment to that reservation. I am checking in. Thanks for joining me. See you next Friday.